A former MSU dean will stand trial on misconduct in office and criminal sexual conduct charges. William Strampel, who was also Larry Nassar's boss, is accused of using his position as dean to sexually abuse female students.
Aaron Jordan was in court all day during the proceedings today, and he's here for you now live in our studio. Aaron, what else happened today?
Well, Lauren and Sherry, the defense tried to say that Strampel was not a public official as dean of the College of Osteopathic Medicine, but say even if he was, his alleged conduct isn't criminal. The prosecution tried to paint Strampel as a master manipulator and a predator and say as dean, he should be held to a higher standard.
The defendant is bound over on counts 1 and 2.
And with that, Judge Richard Ball decided there is enough evidence to send former MSU Dean William Strampel to trial. The former boss of Larry Nassar faces charges of misconduct in office and fourth-degree criminal sexual conduct. Strampel's attorney says he wasn't surprised and is confident in their case.
We have a strong case. We're prepared to put it forward. And when the time comes, we'll present our case.
Testimony was heard from a computer forensics analyst as well as 3 of Strampel's alleged victims. One of them says Strampel made sexually suggestive comments during a meeting about an exam. At one point, he also brought up naked photographs, and she believes he asked her to send him nude photos of herself.
I was very scared. I almost went into a survival mode as there was no one in the room with us, so I felt very trapped in this room with this man that is talking about very, very uncomfortable, inappropriate things.
Another person says Strampel groped her and later leered at her while she was having a conversation with Strampel's wife.
I asked him to look at my face, and he told me eye candy was eye candy.
The defense tried to convince the judge to drop the charges, saying even if he is a public figure, his conduct wasn't criminal. But the prosecution says he took advantage of the students he was supposed to protect.
Dean Strampel had too much power and too much ego. He was supposed to protect them. He did not.
And Strampel's next court date is set for June 20th in Ingham County Circuit Court and will, of course, continue to follow this case. Sherry, Lauren, back to you.